What is up, Lincoln Real Producer community? It's Andrew here. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm joined here today by Tyler. Tyler Irons with VRLY. We're hanging out for a quick 10-minute interview. Super grateful for Tyler. Super grateful for the ability to connect in this way and just really help our partners in unique ways. So just wanted to say, Tyler, thanks for your partnership with Lincoln Real Producers, and thanks for hopping on today and joining us.
Yeah, thanks, Andrew. I appreciate you having me.
Awesome. Well, let's just dive right in. I want people to obviously learn about you, but learn about VRLY and your business. So why don't you just tell us more about VRLY and your business?
Yeah, definitely. So VRLY is a technology partner for real estate agents. We help, real estate agents navigate the waters of technology, social media, marketing in general, because it is an ever-changing platform. And as you guys all know, over the last 5 years, technology has just taken off. With social media, how we actually run ads, even with the MLS and how it, shoots out to the IDX has changed significantly. So we've really partnered with agents strategically on how that they can navigate those waters.
Tell me again, how many years has VRLY been here in Lincoln? Because it got its start in Lincoln, right?
It did, yep. So we actually, we founded VRLY in 2016. So we've been actively working on real estate since then.
So just talk about how your services and what you do separate you from the competition. And quite honestly, I'm not really sure in Lincoln who that competition might be or who offers what you guys do, because you guys do some unique stuff. So why don't you just share what separates you and how you're different?
Yeah, so one of the biggest misconceptions about VRLY is that we actually help sell homes, and that is not, our internal goal at all. Our goal is to help sell agents. So we're trying to help agents put themselves in front of future buyers and sellers, doing that through ads and marketing campaigns before those buyers and sellers are actually, even actively calling agents. We can tap into like demographics from social media and Google, because those platforms know you're getting ready to move before you maybe even tell your mom, your dad, your sister, or whoever. So we help you put your message and your services in front of them before that ever even happens. So that's kind of one of the biggest goals VRLY has internally, and one of the ways we do that is by helping get content, use technology to really differentiate yourself in that market.
You don't help sell homes, you're helping to sell agents, which I love. I love that message. And I see you guys out there, obviously connected to quite a few Lincoln agents already, which is awesome. And the fact that you guys have been in this community for over 4 years now, I think is super helpful. And I think, of course, all the realtors that are hopefully watching this right now and can connect you, because you can really help their business grow, which is what it's all about. So tell us a little bit maybe about you. I know more about you because we go a little bit further back personally, but maybe share with some of the people that don't know you as well something about yourself that they may not know.
Yeah, so I started my career off in the military. So I joined the Army at 17, enlisted in the infantry, got out of the military. Decided I just wanted to do things a little differently. So I went into more of the entrepreneurship role. I had some opportunities, through my family to start a couple businesses. So that's essentially what I did. I started in a small car dealership that I still have. And then I moved into, several different things, properties. So I do have rental properties. So, I can relate to a lot of agents in that as well. And then I really dove heavy into the marketing aspect of business. That's really where I was able to grow and find my niche. And then from out of that, I started a marketing company, which eventually, spun off into what we have now as VRLY, which is, niche to the real estate market.
That's awesome, man. Obviously appreciate what you did with the military and stuff that you did there. It's fun to have known you before then and then to know you now. It's fun to see how much growth and all that stuff that's happened. So something that nobody's talking about, COVID-19. Just kidding.
Right.
Uh, let's just touch a little bit on that, because again, you guys are unique in what you offer. Just share a little bit about maybe how COVID-19 has affected you. I mean, we're kind of in a different phase of that, but how has your business adapted to that? And maybe what advice would you give to these agents that you're working with?
Yeah. So, I mean, obviously COVID hit a lot of people really hard. But a big part of, COVID was something that we were helping agents plan for anyways, just moving to virtual solutions. I mean, that's everything, one of our core beliefs is that, the agents of the future have to have virtual solutions for buyers and sellers, and even for, other agents. Like, you just have to offer virtual solutions because the world's becoming so smaller. People are moving so quickly that they just want, they want to virtually see a property before they actually take the time to go see it. So a lot of things we had implemented early on, and that we were preaching to agents over the last couple of years was, hey, you have to have the virtual solutions. So when COVID hit, we saw that, have that massive impact where, a lot of our strategic partners were ready for this. They already had the 3D tours, they already had the drone, they already had, all the virtual solutions that the buyers needed, so that they were prepared. But we did see a big shift of other agents, kind of say, okay, hey, I need to look into these solutions, so I'm ready not only for COVID, but just, in the future. I think COVID has massively revolutionized real estate and how agents will continue to adapt in the future. I think it's just kind of, opened some eyes and said, hey, let's really focus on these virtual solutions. So, it forced them to adapt it, and now I think that a lot of them will maintain those solutions.
I get so excited when I think about how uniquely positioned you guys are in this world and how much you can really help these agents. So I think what's really important is for you to say, what's the best way for this community to connect with you? Where can we find you? Share those details with us.
Yeah, definitely. So you can always go to our website at getvrly.com, which is GETVRLY.com. And we do all of our bookings virtually. So you can actually go online. You can actually book appointments from there. We obviously have, a phone number, customer service teams here in Lincoln. So you can always give them a call. They can help walk you through it. They can help explain it to you. And then, our website's just a massive information database for you to look at. You can look at our portfolio, you can look at our solutions, and just kind of take it all in. And then any other questions, just give us a call and we'll be happy to help.
Obviously, you guys are on social. Share those channels that you guys are rocking right now.
Yep. So, I mean, our main channels you can find us on are obviously Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn are kind of our four major platforms where we're putting out a lot of content if you want to follow us on there. That's
great, man. Well, thanks for hopping on. I know you're a busy guy, so appreciate you hopping on today with us, Tyler, and excited for you to continue to grow and help these agents in Lincoln.
Yeah, well, thank you for having me. I really appreciate it. I'm looking forward to partnering up with Lincoln's Rural Producers.